Right, thank you for taking the time to watch. My name's Doug, this is Doug's Open Road Classics. So today I'm at a really, really good car meet. The sun's out, having a great time. I've come down in the Mark 1 Mexico, so naturally I was drawn to this Mark 1 Twin Cam owned by Ian. So I've been talking to Ian for some time about the car, so I thought it's a really interesting sort of journey and story. Ian was telling me about the car, and he's kindly agreed to give us a brief rundown on it. So, Ian, I don't know if you could give us a brief rundown how long you've had the car, what you've done to it, and that'd be amazing. Thank you.
Oh, Doug, cheers, so I've had the car for 12 years now. I bought the car, I'm the Ford owner of it actually. I bought it was in bits. It was painted, but I think what had happened is the previous owner had run out of money, so it was as it is, as you see it today, nice ermine white. But the engine was in bits, the gearbox was in bits, all in boxes.
Yeah.
So I bought it in 2014. Took about 18 months to put it all back together again. And I tell you what, if there's a wrong way to do stuff, I found it.
That's the joy of getting to know your car.
Blood, sweat and tears, literally, grazed knuckles, etc, etc. Anyway, it was back on the road in 2016. It flew through its MOT. I know I don't think I needed an MOT, maybe it was. Yeah, exactly. And it flew through it and I was chuffed to bits. Anyway, so that was 2016. So it's been on the road for 10 years, done about 10,000 miles in it. But as you know, with all these old cars, there's always going to be bits missing. Yeah. So it's a bit of a journey looking on eBay, wherever you look, Bay of Thieves to get your bits. And some were right, some weren't right. Yeah. But as it is now, I've got the original bits, but as it is, it's a bit more practical with the air filter like that, and with the plug leads, etc, etc. But I enjoy owning it. I enjoy driving it. It's not a show queen. It comes out when the sun's shining. I don't drive in the rain, but so there you go.
No, it's a beautiful car. No, thank you so much for the rundown on that. So I'm just going to do a brief walk round of the car now. Thank you, Ian, for doing that. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please share the channel with anyone who you think may be vaguely interested. Hopefully see you soon. Happy motoring. Thank you.